This is the amazing stained glass set by Stained Serenity. This one with the yellow and red sunset type of colors is called Sunset Glow. Now these stained glass pieces are made of real stained glass and they're also handmade. They're super pretty and they're also a fair size. I have a hard time fitting this in the frame all at once, but it'll definitely take up a lot of space on your window or on your wall, as you can see behind me. The cool thing about this is that you can rearrange the shape, so it comes already pre-assembled like this, so you can definitely hang it up right out of the box. But there's also clasps on here, so you can totally unclasp each shape from this hanger and you can rearrange them and make your own designs. So you can see how easy it was just to unclasp it, and then you can exchange it with any other shape on this hanger. Each stained glass piece comes with a suction hook. So this can go on any window, and you basically push it into the window and then take the hook and you're going to push it down into the lock position, and that's what's going to keep your hook attached to the window. Just make sure you do this, because if you don't, then the hook will fall off the window or it won't be strong enough to hold your stained glass piece. It also comes in this really fancy stained glass box. Isn't this the cutest packaging ever? It's so colorful, and depending on which set you get, the box will be a corresponding color. So that one's Sunset Glow. This one's gonna have more gold or orange tones. Overall, this set is so perfect to give to somebody or to give to yourself. You can see I hung all of my stained glass on my bedroom wall. You can hang it indoors, and you can also hang it outdoors like traditionally on a window.